Hi, good morning. So I have this delivery. I ordered this in the online in AliExpress digital store 66 watch I think, and 5 a fast charging type C cable. So I have this, and you see this one. I ordered from AliExpress. So it's 14 dirhams. So let's open up. All right. Sonic. Sonic. It's just in a typical pouch. So this one, this cable, type C. So I will try this for my car, and it says 1 meter length, 1 meter length, and color black. So it's arrived good, and let's see if it will work in my computer. Oh yeah, it's working. I saw it showing charging. So yeah, it works. Thank you.